In front of me is LENOVO Yoga Tab Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and hitting while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. Then use this blue button to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the right one. Then, if you wish to, you can click on those three lines at the top right corner and listen your recording. You can also hold it and click on the delete button at the bottom left corner to get rid of it. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!